In this video, I'll provide a demo of the new broker connection feature. So one of the top used features in Tykr is the portfolio tracker. You can track all your stocks in one clean location. Well, prior to the broker connection feature, you could update your portfolio manually or with a CSV import. In other words, you could export it from your broker and then import it to Tykr. So both are a little manual. Well, now your portfolio can be updated automatically every day. Let me show you what this looks like. So going into the web app, this is also available on the mobile app, but if you go to the web app, in the left navigation, click on Connect My Broker, and you can see the full list down below. I've got my main accounts at Schwab connected. I also have a test account with Robinhood, and I've been playing around with Alpaca and E-Trade a little bit as well. But if you scroll down, you can see the full list of all the brokers we have. Now, if you want to make a connection, in this case, let's say I want to connect to Chase. I'll click Chase. This pop-up will appear. It will show the connection, click Continue, and you're off and running. Now your portfolio is updated every day automatically. Now I'll show you what this looks like with my test account at Robinhood. I'll go to Portfolios. I'll go to my Robinhood account. In this case, I can see all of my stocks, all of my transactions. Based on my past returns, I can see what my account will look like in the coming 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And I can also see analytics on my account comparing to the market. And if I'm curious, I can also scroll down and take a look at the top purchased stocks in the Tykr community in the last 24 hours, last week, last month, and so on and so forth. You can also see it for top sold stocks. So a lot of cool stuff within the Tykr portfolio tracker. And now, fortunately, everything is updated automatically every day. If you haven't checked out this feature, you can join Tykr for free. Of course, when you get in, go to the left navigation and look for Connect My Broker, and you can get started from there.